In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress video on Windows 11 using ClipChamp 2026. If you've got a video that's too large to share or upload, compressing it is the quickest way to shrink the file size while keeping it watchable. We'll do this entirely in your browser using ClipChamp, which comes built into Windows 11 for many users and is also accessible online. Start by opening your browser and heading to ClipChamp. Launch the app and log into your account. Once you're in, create a new project by selecting Create a New Video. This opens a clean editing workspace where we'll prepare your file for export. Next, bring your footage in. Click Import Media, then choose the video you want to compress from your computer. Large files may take a moment to upload, so give it time to finish. When the file appears in your media panel, you're ready to place it on the timeline. Drag the video from your media panel down into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This step is important because anything you export must be in the timeline. You can press play to confirm you've got the right clip and that audio and video are in sync. If you want to reduce the file size even further, make a quick trim. Use the trim handles at the start or end of the clip to remove dead space, or use the split tool to cut out sections you don't need. Trimming is optional, but it can meaningfully lower the final size by removing content you won't use. When you're ready, click the export button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to choose a resolution. Here's how to decide. 480p gives you the smallest file size and is great for quick previews or email attachments. 720p strikes a balance between quality and size, which is ideal for most online sharing. 1080p keeps higher clarity but results in a larger file. To compress more, pick a lower resolution. If you're unsure, start with 720p and see if the size meets your needs. After selecting the resolution, confirm the export. ClipChamp will process your video. The time it takes depends on your clip length and your computer's performance. When it's done, download the compressed file to your computer. It's a good idea to quickly preview the downloaded video to confirm it looks and sounds right, then compare its file size to the original so you can see the savings.